Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful traditional and welcoming villa for sale with one of the largest lots, which is 0.17 acres, located within the exclusive community of Bracknell Estates, Kingston 6. Walk out onto the patios and enjoy the views of the city, mountains, harbor, and the sea. This villa has 3 levels with patios on each floor. It has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, family rooms, private laundry, helper's quarters, drying yard, air conditioners and fan, and lights throughout the home, hurricane shutters, large storage room, walkout basement, covered carport, its own additional parking spaces for guests, which is separate from visitors' parking, 8,000-gallon water tank, and a generator. The complex has 24-hour guard and pool. Guys, let's take a look at this villa, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $1,600,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.